Hello. So we gotta go on a little mission here now. I had a sub ask me to do a fishing challenge, and I'm gonna take his word for it and I'm gonna try and pursue it today. The problem is I gotta go find 2-pound line, and to be honest with you, I don't know where the heck. I don't even have anything. What am I doing? I'm throwing stuff in my back door right now. It's just one of those days where I'm doing, I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna go on a quest to find 2-pound line, and the problem is I don't have anywhere near me that sells like fishing stuff in general. So I'm gonna go to Kmart and hope that maybe they'll have 2-pound mono, and I guess we'll show you what we're gonna do from there. So other than that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and hope you enjoy this video. Oh, it's gonna be one of them boys today, boy. Oh, it's green, baby. We made it. Cross your fingers as I got this stuff in here. I'll tell you what, if this channel ever blows up, I'm creating my own sunflower seed flavor. Calling it right now, mark my words, on August 1st, 2018, we're making our own sunflower seed flavor at some point in my life. But let's go get the line, because that's what we came here for. Not this nonsense. Oh, baby. Okay. Sorry, I got a camera. I'm in the middle. Like that. I'm making a fishing video here.
Oh, pretty cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
Plus, we'll give you $10 to spend in the store.
Oh, well.
Oh, come on.
Not today. I can't. I would never read it. I'm being honest.
Well, you don't have to read the paper.
Just for support? Just the moral support?
Yeah, the moral support of the...
You never know what you're going to run into anymore. It's kind of wild. I got to go buy fishing stuff. I don't know. I don't know if I just conned myself into buying the plain dealer or what. I don't know what that was about, but all right. This is the situation. As you guys can see, the fishing stuff kind of sucks. So 2-pound line, that's what we're looking for. 4-pound, 10-pound, 6-pound, 8-pound. This is like all we got to choose from right here. Like, that's it. I mean, they are just no bueno. I feel like, should we get the 4? I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find 2. That's a problem. I mean, I could order it online, but we're gonna make the executive decision to call somewhere and try and see if they have it somewhere else. I'm gonna call Dick's. I always end up going there for something, but hi, can you transfer me over to the lodge department, please? Today. Holy mackerel. Can you check and see if you have 2-pound fishing line? Yeah. Word. Alright, man. Thank you. Alright, we'll see you. Bye. Nowhere has it. By any chance, do you have 2-pound fishing line laying around in all your baloney? No, I'm trying to find 2. I'm at Kmart right now. I found 4, but I'm trying to do a fishing challenge where I use 2-pound line, and I cannot, like, I called every store and nothing around here has it. They didn't have it.
What were you looking for?
I'm trying to find 2-pound fishing line. I gotta do a challenge where I fish with 2-pound fishing line. Gotta see the biggest possible fish I can catch on 2-pound fishing line.
Did you see that one?
So now I gotta go call. I'm gonna call one more tackle place, try and see if we can find this line. My keys were thumping everywhere. Made a little friend over there from the plain dealer. I don't know. He's probably bored, but respect to whoever you are, man. Maybe you'll watch this video one day. But we're gonna call Atlantic Gun and Tackle. See if they have 2-pound line. If they don't, guys, we might have to do a 4-pound line challenge.
Atlantic.
Hi, I have a question for you guys. By any chance, do you carry 2-pound fishing line?
I don't know about 2, 4-pound. I know I have. Hold on. Look for it. Yeah, I have some 2-pound over there. Yeah.
Is it monofilament?
Yeah.
Awesome. What time are you guys open till?
Today till 6.
Till 6? All right, thank you so much. We found it, boys. So we're gonna go get this 2-pound fishing line and do a little fishing challenge here. So I'm pumped. Sorry for the longest intro ever, but we found it. 2 hours later, we found it, baby. This stuff looks ancient, but we got 2-pound line. It's time to spool it up in a rod and go see how big of a fish can you catch on 2-pound line. It's gonna be interesting. Stringing this rod up right now with, here we go, guys, 250 yards. You know what's funny? I think I just got schemed. Check this out. It says 330 yards of 2-pound test. There's a man going by on a tractor. Just the kind of stuff you see around here in Ohio. Look at this. Get out of here. Chipping me off over here. It ain't even the same. I actually have a friend who's coming with me, so for a minute here, once we're like ready to go, we're gonna switch over to the long lens camera. My friend will actually film for me, and it'll probably be a lot better than me just holding it like this. So waiting for him to get here. We're gonna string this up in the meantime, and yeah, we'll see you guys when he gets here. You ready to get this done? Oh, you know. You know. Dun, da, da, da. I don't know, I'm either gonna get spooled or I'm gonna get, the problem is we're fishing in the river, so like, if this frays, I'm toast. Like, let me show you, when I'm done reeling this in, I'll show you how delicate this line is, so they know I'm not messing around. All right, so check this out, guys. Here's the line, right? Just to prove how delicate this is, like, I probably don't even have to hold it. I won't even wrap it around my fingers. I'll just go like this, ready? That's it. That's all there is to it. I could probably break it with just like, it breaks like butter. Like, I got 2-pound line and a spinning rod. This line is so delicate. I'm here at the river and I figured the best way to test if I can catch a big fish would be by carp fishing. It's an easy big fish to tackle. And all I'm doing is throwing, I actually have a little barbless circle hook right here with some corn, 2 split shots. Guys, there's so much debris and stuff in this river. If anything frays, if anything gets caught, there's no chance. So a lot of you guys wanted me to go out and bass fish and use bass lures with 2-pound line. I'm debating on doing that. The reason being is because I don't want to lose a bunch of lures and fish if this doesn't work out. If this line breaks off, I didn't want to, you know, leave a bunch of lures and bass or anything. Using a barbless little round circle bait hook with these carp, if it does break off, they'll be all right. They'll make it. That hook will make its way out versus, you know, a crankbait or something like that. So that's the reasoning. Sorry to let you guys down, but let's go see how big of a fish we can catch with 2-pound test line. Alrighty, gosh, this line, it just feels like hair. It feels like they took hair off my head and just like spooled it. So I'm just gonna give this guy a little toss and plop it right there, and well, hope for the best. I'm gonna stick this right down in here, put that here. If I get bit, that rod's gonna take off and it'll be showtime. But in the meantime, we're gonna smallie fish to keep this interesting. So see if I can get this to fit in here. Well, that didn't take long. I hate this river. Oh yeah. All right, take 2 since we got snagged on the corn. I'm gonna shoot for right there. Alrighty guys, we're making adjustments because the corn isn't cutting it. We're gonna try a donut. These mini pop-ums, why the heck not? Carp like that kind of crap. So we're gonna mash this up a little bit. Oh no, well, that went into the river. So we're gonna pack this hook way in here. I don't know if this is gonna stay on. I highly doubt it. So I spent like 2.5 hours looking for 2-pound line. Finally found it, got rigged up and got out here, but we got skunked today, guys. Usually I do all right fishing here for carp, but I don't know what's up. I don't know if it's the weather, I don't know if it's the kind of corn I use this time, but we didn't even get an opportunity. We didn't even get a shot at this. So we are gonna continue this. I'm not giving up. We're gonna pack things up. It's about 8 o'clock. It's getting ready to get dark, and we are gonna finish this off. I'm gonna try and get out here tomorrow morning. We're gonna try and come out in the morning and see if we can at least get the opportunity to see how big of a fish we can catch on 2-pound line. So we will see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, we're back, day 2, and we're gonna try this again. We got the rod, we got the 2-pound line. We're trying an entirely different area, so hopefully this is a little bit more successful. I haven't even got the opportunity to try and catch a fish on 2-pound line, so this situation is gonna be 10 times different. It's funny because I'm trying to catch a big fish on 2-pound line, but I'm also encountering myself with a current. We're fishing in a dam, so there's current, there's snags, there's all kinds of stuff. So if I pull this off, it'll be crazy. So let's get it. Day 2, here we go. Different spot. I've never carp fished here before, so this is gonna be interesting. Yeah, I'm just gonna toss it out there and hope for the best. We're gonna fish with a worm in the meantime, because why not? Yo, 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 yo! Come here, hold this. I'm on. I think. Oh yeah. Oh, it got off. Did it just break me off?
Well, of course it did. Sure it did. Yeah.
Did it just break me off that quick? Wow.
Tie it right.
No, I did. It just broke off. Oh, this 2-pound line challenge is gonna be rough.
You gotta put serious drag on there.
Oh. I did. I didn't even pick the rod up and it just broke me off. All right, here we go again. Look at that. Little gill blue, eh? The defeat is real right now. I didn't think it would be this hard. Oh, why? This is gonna be harder than I thought, guys. So I can't really be too hard on myself because the bite just might not have been good. But I've probably put about 5 hours into trying to catch a fish. Had one hookup and it broke me off like instantaneously. So I'm not giving up. I am determined to be able to catch a giant fish on what is known to be the lightest line that you can buy or that I can pretty much find, which was 2-pound monofilament. So stay tuned for part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. And honestly, this was a lot harder than I thought. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Oh. I just hit my camera, man.